What's up, team Fullest? This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Get Up Main Canal. So today we're gonna do another get ready with me. So I'm going to start with my eyes. I'm going to prime my eyes with this Eliminator eye primer. It's just the same like the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, but this one is from the Eliminator. So I'm just gonna use this to prime my eyes and just blend everything. All the makeup brushes that I'm using are from the Real Technique and AliExpress brushes. So today I'm going to play with this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. You guys can see this palette was broken. It fell down. It's like the nude shadow. I love this palette. It's very beautiful. It has some of the warm and nude makeup shadows in here, eyeshadows in here. You guys know my makeup look is more on the nude and the warm makeup look. So I'm just gonna take that orange a little bit dark. I'm gonna use that to transition. I'm just gonna blend that into my eyelids, just blend that. I don't really use a lot of makeup brushes when I do simple eye look like this. Sometimes I only use maybe 1 or 2 or 3 brushes, and this is one of those makeup look which is very simple. We want to focus more on the skin, and I'm gonna take this a little bit darker dark orange. I'm gonna take that, I'm gonna put that in the on the brow bone, but just a little bit underneath, and I'm just gonna blend that very smoothly. I feel like you guys can see what I'm doing much more better than me explaining. But yeah, I'm just gonna blend that. I really love that warmness on the eyes. It's very beautiful. Now I'm going to take this darker brown. It's a brown shade, but it's a little bit darker. I'm gonna put it on the outer corner, and I'm also gonna try to blend it on the crease. Just blend it on the crease. Just blend it very nice so that you have that orange and that darker shade. I feel like you guys can see much more better than me explaining, but I'm just gonna add more and more. One thing about me, when I do makeup, I like to start little by little. I don't go in with a lot of products, just because yeah, I don't have the time to be blending taking off product out. I feel like it's better to add more product than to take products out, because when you put a lot of products, it's gonna be very difficult for you to get everything out. So now I'm gonna take that same eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna put it on the eyelid, and I'm just gonna blend that. You guys are gonna see what I'm going to do just to make that part a little bit lighter. I'm not gonna do like a cut crease, but it's just like I'm trying to put a much nuder brown, much lighter shade down there. So we're gonna put that eyeshadow primer as a base so that the shadow has something to hold on to. And I really love it. I used to love this eye primer so much, and then, you know, sometimes when you get new stuff, you focus on the new things, and then once in a while I like to go back to my makeup and just play with stuff. As you guys can see, I'm just gonna put that nude brown shadow on top, and you guys see how beautiful it look. And I'm just gonna try to blend it very nice into the other colors so that it has this really smooth transition, but at the same time you guys can see that I have multiple color. You can see that I have the orange, I have the dark brown, and I also have the nude on the eyelids, which I really love. I'm gonna take a little bit of that brown, and I'm just gonna try to smoothen out the outer corner and blend everything, just to make sure everything blends really smoothly. And I really love the eyes. I really love the way the eyes are stunning. Now I'm going to take another brush that doesn't have any product, just to blend everything very smoothly. And I feel like I'm done with the eyes. It's very simple. It's a really beginner friendly makeup. All of my makeup are beginner friendly. And now we're going to eyeline. Now we're done with the eyeliner. You guys can see all of my makeup are beginner friendly. They're really easy, step-by-step makeup look, beginner friendly, something that you can just put, watch, and do your makeup. It's very easy. So now I'm gonna take this primer. I'm gonna use this to prime. I'm gonna prime all over my face. But you guys know, before ever I prime my face, I always use my Makeup Revolution oil control setting spray, and I also use my SPF sun protective cream, which I always use before ever I come to the camera and do my makeup, just because I have a sensitive skin, and it's always good to sun protect your face and your neck if you're exposing those. So now I'm going to take my favorite, you guys know, my NYX Born to Glow Liquid Eliminator. I just love this. Is in Sun Goddess. Yes, you guys know I love Sun Goddess. I love that bronzy feeling that it gave me. It just makes everything look so beautiful. So I'm just gonna blend that into my skin, make sure everything is blended really smoothly. So for today, we're not going to use a foundation. I really love the way this Makeup Revelation concealer looks on my skin. This is the I think C14 or F14, one of those two. I can't remember. I think it's the C15 or F15. I can't remember. But I've used this multiple times. You guys already know this concealer. I really love using this concealer because this concealer really matches my skin, and it's a concealer and a foundation 2-in-1 for me. So you guys can see, like, this is just too deep into it, spread out all over my face. It blends easily. Now I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution foundation brush. I'm just gonna blend that into my skin. I'm just gonna buff that into my skin very smoothly, and I really love the finished result. I know my face kind of look oily and shiny on the camera, but my face wasn't like that. It wasn't like that. When I get out of the house, when the breeze blow my face, it feels like the breeze take off all the moist out of my skin. So that's why I love using liquid illuminator, so that my skin still a little bit. I do have an oily and dry combination skin. There are certain parts of my body on my face, they're a little bit dry, other parts which are really oily. So it's kind of crazy, you know, but I really love the finished result. I love this concealer. I'm just gonna blend everything to the hairline. My baby hair is working. Just gonna blend everything into the hair, make sure I get it underneath my neck, so that it doesn't look like my face and my neck has different colors. We want them to look together, even though my neck is a little bit darker than the rest of my body. But it's okay, it's good. So now that I've just keep on blending, because blending is key. We're just gonna blend and blend. So now we're done with blending, we're gonna take a concealer. I think this is the Makeup Revolution concealer. I think this is the C14.7 or F.7. I can't remember anymore. But I'm just gonna take that concealer. I'm just gonna put it underneath my eyes, on my nose, under my lip. Just blend that. Just gonna blend that smoothly. I really like to use a little bit darker concealer. I'm not really into this. Before, when I first start makeup, I don't really know a lot. When you look at makeup tutorial and then someone tell you, oh, this is good, I would just go and buy it, and I don't really know whether it's too light or it's too dark. But for me right now, I'm kind of like comfortable with my makeup, the way my makeup is. So I kind of know what really works for my skin. I don't really like that super bright on the eyes. I like that natural everyday makeup kind of look. So that's the reason why I always use like a darker concealer, and I kind of blend it up with a powder. I make sure the powder is a little bit lighter, but not that light that it makes me look crazy. But you also have to know your skin, know the kind of makeup that you like, the kind of makeup that is comfortable for you, because sometimes you watch people, you be like, oh, she used this, I want to use this. It's good for you to know what you like. And now I'm going to take my Makeup Revelation setting powder. This is in medium beige. I know this powder because I use it a lot. And as you guys can see, using the darker concealer and using a lighter powder, you guys can see how everything just blend smoothly. I really love the way it looks. So I'm just gonna set everywhere where I put the concealer. I'm just gonna make sure we set everything. I was in a hurry to just get out of the house, and you know, when you're doing makeup, you want to look cute, and makeup takes forever. Yes, makeup takes forever. So now we're just done that. It's time to set the face. Yes, I'm gonna take my favorite, which is the Makeup Revolution setting powder. I'm gonna use that to set, and I love how this powder look on my skin. It is so beautiful. I just love the way it looks. I should have done just a talk through video, but the kids were making noise. The kids were home, and I was getting ready to go out, so I was like, you know what, I just want to come and show you guys a quick makeup look tutorial, and I'm just gonna do a voiceover. So I'm gonna take that shade, that same orange, the darker and the lighter one. I'm just gonna use it underneath my eyes. Excuse the crazy face expressions, because you guys know my under eye is super sensitive, and I almost had water coming down my eyes because of just blending like that. It's crazy. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that dark one and then put it also on top of there, trying to blend everything smoothly so that the under eyes and the eyeshadow also kind of matches together, kind of look cute at the end. It turned out really beautiful and I really like it. My under eyes a struggle. It's a struggle. Let me know if you have the same issue when it comes to putting makeup underneath your eyes. I want to know, because I don't feel like I'm the only one, because I feel like I always cry whenever I touch my under eyes, which is crazy. So now I'm just going to take the brush. I'm just going to wipe off all the excess makeup, wipe everything, just wipe. So now we're going to use my favorite, which is the Morphe Bronzer. You guys know this bronzer is beautiful. It is beautiful. I really love it. It's one of my favorite now, and I'm just gonna bronze my face. I love that warmness. Just check the warmness that this bronzer brings to my face. It's beautiful. It's so good. Like, it's really nice. I have actually made a lot of people to buy this bronzer because of me. All of my friends went and purchased this bronzer. They were like, Abby, don't you have a code? I'm like, no, Morphe does not even know that I exist. But I make a lot of people when I buy this bronzer. When I did a review about it, a lot of people send me DMs on Instagram, say, oh, I picked up the bronzer, I saw your video and it's so good, I really like it, your video make me really go and buy it. And I was like, yes, I did. I was like, okay, that's good, but I didn't really have a code, I didn't have anything, I just purchased it and I really love it, so I came to share with you guys. So now we're going to contour. I'm going to use that same powder I used to for my face. That's the same powder I used to contour my nose. You guys know that already. I like my contour to be a little bit natural, you know, a little bit natural, a little bit okay, not where you can see me from 1,000 miles, you know, that I've contoured my face. I don't like that. I just like it natural, simple but glam. Natural, simple but classy. Yes. So now what we're going to do, we're going to shimmer bronzer. You guys know I love shimmer bronzer. I'm gonna take this one from Sleek. I'm gonna take a little bit, put it there and put it there, and just blend that into my skin very smoothly. Just gotta blend. Now it's time to do the lip. Yes, I'm gonna take a Kiko lip liner. So what I'm going to do today, I'm gonna fill in my entire lip with the lip liner, so I can have this nude lip thing. I'm gonna fill in on my entire lip, and then I'm going to take the Kiko lip gloss, the shimmery one. I can't remember the name, but the shimmery lip gloss, I'm going to put that over on top of the lip liner, which I've already filled in all my lip. It looks amazing. It looks very beautiful. I really like it. I'm just gonna fill in everything. You guys gonna see what I'm doing. I'm gonna make sure I lined my lip precise because I want this makeup to look beautiful. So fill in everything. You can prefer to leave it like this when you have filled it. You can leave it like this. It's super easy, super natural. Leave it like this. But I was like, no, I like that lip gloss. I love that shiny lip. I know I already have a bold big lip, which I'm kind of comfortable with the way my lip is. Before I wasn't, because I used to get teased a lot that my lip is too big, but now I'm kind of very comfortable. I don't know, maybe it's the age. The more you get older, the more you just become comfortable in your own skin. You just grow to love yourself and grow to accept the things you have and know that you can't change. So yeah, taking the Sunkiss bronzer, I'm just gonna use that as a highlighter because you guys know I love the bronzy look. That's the bronzy look. I love it. And I'm just gonna highlight my entire face, not my entire face, the places where I want it to stand out, like my nose, my cheekbone. Now it's time to set. So guys, this is the finished result. I'm going to show you guys my outfit quickly. I'm wearing this green dress, pretty long all the way to my knee. So this is what my outfit is. I love green. This is my favorite kind of color, green. And I'm also gonna pair it with this bag. I actually want to come and do an AliExpress haul for you guys because I pick up this bag from AliExpress and I'm going to pair it. It has a rope. You can actually wear it like this, or you can hold it like this. I am going to be holding mine like that, so I'm just going to put the handle inside the bag, and it's just close, simple. Just close it, put it inside and close it, and then you can just hold it like this. So this is how I'm going to be holding my bag, and I have my rings, my bracelet, and I don't have any necklace. I just have some earrings. So I'm gonna put a picture for you guys, but I'm just gonna wear a sneaker, a black sneaker, just something casual, and I hope you all like this. I've started taking my macro route because your girl was sick and I lost a little bit of weight, not too much. But you guys know, when I stopped the macro route, I was like 75 kilo, and then I stopped. Now I lost a little bit. I'm now into like 69. So it wasn't that bad. So I'm taking it now just to build up that weight. So I love the way the body is looking. So yeah, hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you all. Peace out. Bye. Vergeet niet te abonneren en hoop ik jullie zo snel moet laten zien. Doei.